OmniMed offers a variety of complete privacy screens to meet patient privacy needs. We have many screen sizes as well as an assortment of panels that will coordinate with interior decor and create warmth in the clinical setting. All of our screens are composed of a durable but lightweight anodized aluminum that is easy to clean. These sections are attached to each other by stainless steel hinges which allow the screen frame to smoothly fold and unfold. Machined rods snap in at the top and bottom of each section to secure the privacy panels. Our basic economy screens are available in 2, 3, or 4 sections. The economy screen has a straight base and needs to be slightly folded to maintain stability. Each section is 64 inches high and 19 inches wide. If you need a wider frame, we make the Bematic screens. These are available in 2, 3, 4, or 5 sections. The S-shaped design of the Bematic base allows the screen to be stable when fully extended. Each section is 68 inches high and 19 inches wide. For increased maneuverability, we also offer a 3-section mobile screen on casters. These screens are secured to a U-shaped base that glides on 2-inch casters. They are 72 inches high and a standard 57 inches wide. Our largest screens are the 3-section king screens. This screen has a heavy-duty U-shaped base which can be stationary or mobile. The mobile frame is identical to the stationary model except that it includes 4 casters. All king screen frames are 73.5 inches high and 96 inches wide. You'll need to choose your panels in order to complete the privacy screen frame. OmniMed privacy screen panels are made to fit our screens. They are available in an economical heavy gauge vinyl or an attractive designer fabrics. All our panels are made of durable materials that are machine washable. Vinyl panels come in white or green, while the designer fabrics are offered in a wide range of colors, patterns, and textures. Screens require 1 panel per section for the economy, Bematic, and mobile frames. The king frame requires 2 panels per section.